Various prices, exclusions apply.
Siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northeastern Birmingham, Trussville, Gardendale, Bell City, Moody, Springville, Odenville, Center Point, Clay, Gibson, Margaret, Argo, Riverside, Ragland, Chalkville, Bald Rock, Grayson Valley, Harrisburg, Rangeville, and Logan Martin Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Jefferson and St. Clair. A severe